Welcome back to the Harvest to Table Videos channel. I'm Stephen Albert. Today we're diving into one of my favorite spring and autumn crops, Florence Fennel. Florence Fennel is an excellent crop for the home garden thanks to its versatility, compact size, and culinary appeal. Nearly every part of the plant is edible. The crisp, sweet bulb adds a mild anise flavor to both raw and cooked dishes. The stalks make great addition to soups and stews. The feathery fronds can be used like dill for garnishing or flavoring sauces. And the sweet licorice-like seeds are also edible and can be used as a spice. Florence Fennel's upright, tidy growth habit makes it a great choice for small garden spaces or even large containers. In addition to its usefulness in the kitchen, Florence Fennel is visually appealing and adds texture and fragrance to the garden. Its scent may help repel certain insect pests, and if you allow it to flower, it produces bright yellow blossoms that attract pollinators, including bees, butterflies, and beneficial wasps. With its combination of ornamental beauty, culinary flexibility, and ease of growth, Florence Fennel is a great addition to any home garden. Before we go further, let's touch on the difference between Florence Fennel and the herb known as sweet fennel, or common fennel. The two come from the same plant species, Feniculum vulgare, but are grown for different purposes. Common or sweet fennel is cultivated primarily for its feathery fronds and aromatic seeds, which are used as a culinary herb and spice. Florence Fennel, also known as bulb fennel, or by its Italian name finocchio, is grown for its swollen, crisp white base, often called a bulb, which has a mild anise flavor and is eaten as a vegetable. While they share a similar taste, herb fennel doesn't form a bulb like Florence Fennel. The general growing requirements and care of Florence Fennel and the herb sweet fennel are similar, though Florence Fennel needs a bit more attention to timing, water, and spacing to produce its edible bulb. Florence Fennel grows quickly, maturing in about 75 to 90 days, making it ideal for planting in early spring or late summer for a fall harvest. Now, let's get into the specifics for growing Florence Fennel. Florence Fennel grows best in cool weather. It thrives when daytime temperatures are between 60 and 75 degrees Fahrenheit. It's ideal for growing in spring or late summer and autumn. For a late spring harvest, sow seeds outdoors after the last frost, but before the weather starts to warm. For a fall harvest, particularly in warmer climates, sow seeds in late summer for a fall harvest. Late summer planting is ideal, since fennel grows best as days grow shorter, and the risk of bolting or going to seed is reduced. Hot weather can cause Florence Fennel to bolt and flower before the bulb forms. Avoid planting too late in spring. For fall crops, I usually start seeds around mid-August and get a beautiful harvest by late October. Where to plant Florence Fennel? Florence Fennel needs full sun to grow a large, flavorful bulb. Choose a garden spot that receives at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day. Prepare the soil by loosening it deeply and mixing in plenty of aged compost, aged manure, or a commercial organic planting mix. You'll find that rich, well-draining soil really improves the size and sweetness of the bulb. In smaller gardens, raised beds are a great place to grow Florence Fennel. I've also grown fennel in 15-gallon containers with very good results. Here's a quick tip from my experience. Avoid planting fennel near dill or cilantro, as they may cross-pollinate or stunt each other's growth. How to sow seeds and transplant starts. Once the soil is prepared, sow fennel seeds about 1/4 to 1/2 inch deep. Space seeds 4 to 6 inches apart in rows that are about 18 inches apart. Once seedlings have 2 to 3 sets of true leaves, thin them from 8 to 10 inches apart. To get an early start on the season, sow seeds indoors 4 to 6 weeks before the last frost. Transplant seedlings into the garden a week or two after the last frost, when they are 4 to 6 inches tall. Be gentle when transplanting. Fennel doesn't like having its roots disturbed. How to water, feed, and care for Florence Fennel. Consistent moisture is really key for Florence Fennel to develop a tender, swollen bulb. I water deeply about twice a week, depending on the weather. I mulch around plants to help hold in soil moisture and suppress weeds. If the soil dries out, plants can stall or bolt. Florence Fennel isn't a heavy feeder, but it does benefit from a side dressing of compost or a balanced fertilizer once it begins to bulb. In addition to mixing in compost at planting time, I give the plants a side dressing of compost or fish emulsion once the bulbs begin to swell. Avoid nitrogen-rich fertilizers. Too much nitrogen produces a lot of leafy growth, but small bulbs. As the bulb begins to form at the base, I gently mound soil around it. This keeps the bulb white and tender and prevents sunburn. It's a small step that makes a big difference in quality. I skip it only if I'm harvesting young baby fennel. Florence Fennel is fairly pest resistant. That said, it's best to keep an eye out for aphids and slugs. The good insect news is fennel fronds and flowers often attract beneficial insects such as ladybugs. I almost always let a few plants flower. The yellow umbels draw in pollinators like bees and parasitic wasps. By letting a few plants flower, you can also collect seeds in the fall to use as food flavoring and for teas, as well as replanting the following spring. When to harvest Florence Fennel. Florence Fennel bulbs are ready to harvest when they are about the size of a tennis ball, typically 90 days after sowing. I cut them just above the soil line with a sharp knife, then trim and save the fronds for soups or fish dishes. Any small or misshapen bulbs get chopped and roasted. They're always delicious, even if they're not picture perfect. Fennel stalks can be harvested cut and come again any time before you harvest the whole bulb. Use the stalks to flavor soups and stews. If you're growing fennel for seed, allow the flower heads to mature and dry, then collect seeds for culinary use or next season's planting. And there you have it. Growing Florence Fennel has become a seasonal ritual in my garden. It's a cool weather crop that bridges the gap between summer and winter vegetables, and it brings a sweet, aromatic note to my fall and early spring cooking. If you haven't tried it yet, I highly recommend giving it a space in your garden. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the Harvest to Table Videos channel for more home gardening tips from seed to table. To read my complete guide for growing Florence Fennel, click on the link in the notes below. Thanks for watching today. Until next time, this is Stephen Albert wishing you happy gardening. See you in the next video.